Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to create a fade-in-and-out LED using Arduino. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, an LED, a resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. So, let's start building. Step 1. Take an LED and insert it on the breadboard. Step 2. Place a resistor on the breadboard. Connect one end of the resistor to the longer leg of the LED, anode. Step 3. Use the jumper wires to connect the shorter leg of the LED, cathode, to the GND pin on the Arduino and connect the other end of the resistor to the digital pin 9. Step 4. Use the USB cable to connect the Arduino to the computer. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Arduino. This program will control the brightness of the LED. You can download this code from the description or visit our official website for more technical support. Upload the code to the Arduino to see the real magic.